Oh.
Everyone, namaskar.
Namaskar, ma'am.
How are you
Namaskar.
all and how are you going?
Fine,
How is your day going? How are you all? Fine?
Good, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Tired? Feeling tired as this is the last lecture?
No, ma'am.
Okay, well done. Atharv and Bhavika. Both are active. Very good. Yes. Achit is also active. Ansh is also active. All the
I
A
like
and B
English.
participants are active. All the A and B letter persons are active. Achyut, Ansh, Atharv and Bhavika. What about others? Where is C, D, E, F, G, H letter words? Where are others? Okay, V is also active. V for Winnie. Dhyay is also active. Very good. Dhyay. D for Dhyay is also active. Well done. What about others? Dhyani is also active. Well done. Yes, yes. Write it down. Yes, if you are active. Okay. So, as you can see on the board, the topic is written and the things which we are going to do is already there in the right hand side. Now, learners, we have completed the chapter till plugin activity, right? Now, in today's class, we would be doing unit number 4, poem number 4, Allophony. Am I clear to everyone? One of you please turn on your camera. One of you please turn on your camera so that my screen would not go off. Thank you, Atharva. Learners, Allophony क्या है? First I am going to tell you. It is two words, elephant and telephone. The poet joined the two words together and makes a new word, Allophony. Just like nowadays, the newborn baby name is put or based on the basis of father and mother's name, right? Am I clear? आजकल क्या हो रहा है? न्यूबॉर्न बेबी आती है तो पापा और मम्मी के नाम को जोड़ के एक न्यू नाम उनको दिया जाता है. वैसे ही elephant have ears. The poet made the two words, that is telephone and elephant. He joined the two words and make it Allophony. How to pronounce it? Allophony. Everyone pronounce it. Very good. Now learners, in this poem we would be learning about different elephant and telephone के words. Along with it we would be learning how the elephant's trunk get entangled in the wire, right? So all of you are ready? If yes, write it down in the chat box. Okay. One of you please turn on your camera. Bhavika, can you please turn on your camera for me?
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Okay, now I can see. Thank you. Stand Bhavika. Learners, now let's start. Once there was an elephant. Once there was an elephant who tried to use his telephone. No, I mean an elephant. See, the poet is playing with the word elephant and telephone, right? The poet is playing with that word. And how nicely he has written this poem. Let us read it out. No, I mean an elephant. who tried to use the telephone. Dear me, I am not certain quite that even now I have got it right. Here, the poet is saying us that once there was an elephant, once there was a day when elephant was talking with someone who was trying to use his telephone. Here, yes, the poet has written telephant, which means telephone. No, I mean an elephant. The poet is saying, no, I mean an elephant who tried to use the telephone. An elephant means, and telephant means an instrument that reproduces sounds at a distance, right? Now, here they are saying, however, he got his trunk entangled in the telephone. Here, telephone is depressed elephant. Why he was depressed? Because his trunk was entangled. As I told you, that the poet is saying us that the elephant's trunk gets entangled in the wire of telephone. So here they are saying us, however he got his trunk entangled in the telephone. Telephone and trunk both join together and become telephone, right? And entangled means causes to become twisted together. Then the more he tried to get it free, जितना ही वो ज्यादा उसको अलग करने की कोशिश कर रहा था, the more he was entangled with the wire, right? Suppose this is a wire, वो जितना उसको अलग कर रहा है, it is again going round and round in his trunk. Alright? Now, then,
And I have now.
Yes, 1 minute, beta Vinny. The loud buzz that telleth. Now, जैसे ही वो वायर खींचता है, एक बज साउंड आता है ना टेलीफोन में, वैसा साउंड उसको आता है, राइट? I fear I better drop the song to elephant and telephone. Now, the elephant is saying, oh my God, this buzz sound is coming from where? I could not find out. And I fear it's better to drop the song of elephant and telephone. Isn't it an interesting and comedy poem? Right? It gives a smile in our faces. I can see all of your faces with a smile. Right? Yes, exactly. So now learners, yes, Vinny, what is your doubt? You can ask.
मैम वो टेलीफंक का मतलब क्या आता है?
Telephunk means depressed animal, depressed elephant, right? Telephunk दो वर्ड से लिया गया है, एक तो ट्रंक और एक टेलीफोन. ये दोनों वर्ड को ज्वाइन करके टेलीफंक बनाया गया है, which is a depressed elephant.
मैम टेलीफोन का मतलब.
Now learners, let us underline. वो भी टेलीफोन और एलिफेंट का ही वर्ड है, दोनों को ज्वाइन करके ही बनाया है. Telephony means an instrument that reproduces and sound at a distance. Yes, beta. क्या है?
हाँ, टेलीफोन में हम बनाने के लिए एलिफेंट बनाने के लिए हम यूज करते थे, लेकिन इसमें टेलीफोन बनाने के लिए ई आगे लगा दिया है, जिससे कि I have a doubt.
Yes, Ishika, what is your doubt? Ishika Seraskia?
मैम ट्रंक का मतलब क्या होता है?
ट्रंक, आपको ट्रंक नहीं पता बेटे? ट्रंक एलिफेंट की ट्रंक होती है ना, बड़ी सी सूंड, that is known as trunk.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Okay. Welcome, beta. Now let's underline the words. The words which I am writing in the board, you have to underline. At the same time, you also need to write it down in your 1A number notebook. So everyone, take out your notebook, give heading मैम पेज नंबर। मानवीर, आप अभी ज्वाइन हो रहे हो ना बेटा?
यस मैम।
वाई डू यू नो हमने कितने मिनट का लेक्चर आपने मिस किया, आपको पता है? इट इज 12:02 and the lecture start at 11:50. 10 minutes, 12 minutes late you are. We have completed almost the poem, whole poem. Everyone take out page number 62, poem number 4. And let's underline and write it down the new word. The first word, give the heading in your notebook everyone. In your notebook give new word heading everyone. Let's underline and let us write it down the new word. The first word is elephant. Second one is pride. Pride means कोशिश करना, right? Third is elephant. एक ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट जिससे हम दूर तक लोगों से बात कर सकते हैं. And it is consist of two words, telephone and elephant. Fourth is elephone. Detailed meaning of telephone. Written elephant. First is elephant, beta. It is already written in the board. And now turn off your mic everyone.
मैम कुछ लिखना
Now
है।
Brincy, you have to write it down the new words in notebook number 1A. Also at the same time you need to underline it. Also at the same time you have to underline it in your textbook.
Sorry ma'am, I am late.
Surely, ma'am.
Why you are late? You are 14 minutes late, beta. You are 14 minutes late. Our half of the class is
Ma'am,
already
fifth
done.
word is
Beta, 1 minute. I am telling. Fifth word I am writing. Wait for a while. Fifth word is certain. Sixth word I am writing here. It is entangled. Seventh word, telephone. Eighth word, louder. Ninth word is bus. 10th word is better. 11th word is elapsed. Hop. And 12th word is which one? Telephone. Very good, dear. I can see that smile on your face. You have completed your work.
ma'am, you were done. Well, good.
Very good, Mahil.
Adharvajan, you were done, ma'am. Ma'am, Bhavika
Okay,
is done.
Okay, very good, very good. If your work is done, well done.
Ma'am,
No,
I
no,
done.
Okay, beta.
और textbook में birth of ma'am,
Very good, very good. All of you, very good, well done. Now listen to me. There is an exercise of poem appreciation is page number 62. There is an exercise of page number 62, that is poem appreciation, question number 1. Let us complete it. The poet mixes the word telephone and elephant. As I told you, we have to write all the words that are mixed with telephone and elephant here in the space given below, in the blanks given below. Alright? May I erase the new word? May I erase the new word?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you can erase 5. Ma'am, Samar, my parents.
Okay. Okay, Samar. Let others finish
मैम
it.
6 से 12 तक इरेज मत करो, बाकी 11 और 12 मेरा बाकी है।
Okay. Complete your work. I am waiting for 5 more minutes.
मैं टेक्स्ट बुक में भी डन हो गया और नोट
All right. Well done.
Hello. Am I have a doubt?
Yes. What is your doubt, beta?
Ma'am, 12 online video.
Okay. 1 minute. 12th one is not visible. Wait for a while. Now it is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please turn off your mic. Beta Kiona, turn off your mic. Every please turn off your mic.
Ma'am, I also done.
Okay, turn off your mic.
मैम 62 में वो पोयम के नीचे वो क्या है? मैम जैनम काका's work is done. मैम इसी बरस रहते notebook done.
Question number 1, which is given in page number 62. Let us complete it. Page number 62, question number 1. All of your work is done. One of you please turn on your camera. One of you please turn on your camera.
Now clear.
Okay, all right.
मैंने पोयम के नीचे 62 पेज नंबर है वो पढ़ना है।
Yes, बेटा वो हम अभी करवा रहे हैं ब्रिंसी. Wait for a while. Page number 62, question number 1 we will do here.
मैम आपका मैम योर नेटवर्क इज नॉट कमिंग।
बेटा
आवाज नहीं आ रही।
every turn off your mic, otherwise I'll put it in lecture mode. Everyone turn off your mic, otherwise I'll put you all in lecture mode. Then you won't be able to speak anything. Turn off your mic. Rishvi, turn off your mic, beta.
Textbook and notebook.
Rishvi, we are writing it in both textbook and notebook.
मैम पोएम के नीचे वाला क्वेश्चन वन डन।
Let us complete the first question, which is given in page number 62. May I erase? Now may I erase?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Still few of them are writing. Still few of them are writing. Let them complete. And others, please keep quiet if your work is done. whose mic is on? Atharva. Dishvi, turn off your mic.
मैम मिरर बोर्ड कर.
How many of you are still writing? Raise your hand in the chat box, please. How many of you are still writing? Write it down in the chat box. And how many of your work is done? Use the chat box and reply. Okay.
मैम विनी डन.
Beta chat box mein you need to write it down. Alright. So let's start the first question of poem appreciation. Everyone take out page number 62. Everybody please take out page number 62. The first word is elephant. Page 62 in textbook. Second one is elephant. Third one is telephone.
मैम आपका वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा.
Fourth one is telephone. Beta, turn off your mic, Brinty. And after that, no, Aleph hop. Then sixth one is telephone. Elephant. And last is telephone. Question answers I'll be sending as a PDF. You have to write it down in your notebook. It is your homework. Is it clear? You have to write it down, the question answers as a homework. I'll be sharing the PDF. Let us discuss the question and answers of poem number 4. That is A Little Pony.
मैम जी Valorie's work is done.
Okay, let's discuss the question and answers. Okay, all right. Now let us discuss the question and answers part. Use the chat box if your work is done. Use the chat box if your work is done. Okay, Bhavika and Alini. Now learners, let us see the question and answers discussion. The first one. What was the elephant trying to do? It is a secret.
The elephant tried to use the elephant.
Yes, very good. Athar. The elephant was trying to use his telephone. The elephant was trying
to use
his telephone. Right? Now, what was the poet not certain about? What was the poet not certain about? The poet was not certain if she was using the word correctly. right? The poet was not certain about the word, but where she is using which word, right? So she was not certain about the word. Then what happened to the elephant's trunk? Now tell me, what happened to the elephant's trunk? Yes, the elephant's trunk got entangled in the wire of telephone. Then, very good. Then what happened when the elephant tried to get...
Who tried to use the telephone?
No, beta. What happened when the elephant tried to get it free? Elephant जब अपनी trunk छुड़ाने लगा from that wire which was entangled, the trunk was entangled. Yes, the telephone buzzed loud. The telephone buzzed loud. Now, why did the poet drop the song? Why did the poet drop the song there? Poet ने drop क्यों कर दिया the song? The poet...
I better the poet dropped the song because I feel
as all the words got mixed up and she was confused. All the words get mixed up and she gets confused. Right. That's why she dropped the song. It's a beautiful poem. It's a beautiful poem. Yes, Brincy. Yes, Brincy. Brincy Patel, what is your doubt, beta?
आपका क्वेश्चन मैम आपका आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा.
Am I now audible properly to you, beta?
No, ma'am.
Can you please rejoin the class, Brincy?
I can hear you, ma'am. You are not.
Okay, thank you, Mahil. Thank you, Javier. Now, yes,
Ma'am, you are Excuse me, ma'am.
1 minute, beta. Yes, Whitney.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of skeleton?
What is the meaning of?
Skeleton.
Where it is written, beta?
Certain.
Certain. The poet was not certain. What is the meaning of certain? Come on, tell me. Certain तो आप बहुत बार पढ़ते हो. Yes. What was the poet certain about? पोएट को किस चीज के बारे में एकदम कंफर्मली नहीं पता था. The question meaning the words. That's why she gets confused, right? And that's why she mixes two words together, elephant and telephone, right? Telephony. Yes, instead of saying elephant phone, she writes telephony, right? Now, learners.
Ma'am, did you call me? Ma'am.
The time for discussing the enrichment exercise. It is the time for doing the enrichment exercise. Let us do the enrichment. There are some do's and don'ts for a jungle expedition. Expedition here means जब आप जंगल में जाते हो. Yes, मान कोठिया.
मैम मुझे है ना कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. मैं नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है.
Okay, you can refer the video बेटा. नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम में मैं कैसे हेल्प कर सकती हूँ बेटा आपकी? From your side network problem is there, so you can see the video. If you face any problem or if you face any doubt, any trouble anywhere, you can tell me. Okay, between 5 to 7. Now listen to me. Enrichment. Do's and don'ts for a jungle expedition. Before going on a jungle safari or expedition, we should make sure we are safe. Yes, we should make sure that we are safe? How safe? हम किस तरीके से अपने आप को सेफ रख सकते हैं, and how to make sure that we are safe, right? We should also care about the animals in the jungle. We should not harm them, right? Now let us read the do's and don'ts issued by the National Park Authorities, which is given in enrichment page number 63. Now let us read it. Heavy vehicle and diesel vehicles are not allowed inside the park. Heavy vehicle and diesel vehicle are not allowed in the park of jungle safari. Whenever we are going to a jungle safari, the vehicles, the hot vehicles and the diesel vehicle, the heavy vehicle and diesel vehicles are not allowed in the jungle safari. The second one says, do not light a fire inside the park. We must never light a fire inside the park. Why? Because forest can easily catch fire, and if you are careless, it may cause a fire which could spread across the forest very quickly. Forest में आग जल्दी लग सकती है, so we must never not light a fire inside the park. Yes. Now the third one is, do not to use flash for photograph. We must never use flash for photograph. Phone पे flashlight होती है. We must not use that flashlight. Why? Because animals may get fear of it. That's why we must not use the flashlight. Do not get down from your vehicle. We must not get down from the vehicle. Why? Because animals घूम रहे होते हैं वहाँ पे और हम नीचे उतर के घूमने लगे और suppose lion या tiger आ गया. How would we make us safe? Right? Yes, it can eat us. Very good. Now, do not feed animals and keep a safe distance from them. We must not feed any animal. हमें animal को कुछ खिलाना नहीं चाहिए. Why? They have their certain diets to be followed, certain foods to be followed, and the keeper, those who are taking care of them, they look to it. Right? Now, the next one is, do not carry weapons. Weapons means pistol, guns. We must not carry such kind of weapons. You are safe when there is a guide with you, and hunting is banned. As we know that hunting is banned. हमें किसी भी एनिमल पे किसी भी तरह का वार नहीं करना चाहिए if we are going for a jungle safari. Right? Do not throw empty tins, box or litter in the forest. We must not throw empty tins, boxes or litter or trash here and there in the forest. Keep strictly on the road. We must have to be in the road, not inside the park. Right? रोड पे ही चलना चाहिए, पार्क के अंदर नहीं लेके जानी चाहिए गाड़ी. Right? Because animals are roaming here and there. They might get hurt because of our carelessness. Now, look after your child all the time. At all the time, we have to look our child carefully. Avoid wearing. Child means if we are having a young baby with us, we must take care of him or her. We must have to look to it. Avoid wearing bright colors. Do not blow horn, play music or make loud noises. If we make loud noises, elephant या कोई भी जो भी animals रहते हैं वो चले जाते हैं अंदर, तो हमारा जंगल सफारी करने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. हम देख ही नहीं सकते किसी एनिमल को. They may have some phobia with colors, right? if we wear too much bright colored dresses, they might get fear from us and they went. और red color तो हम नहीं पहनते, bull get attract with red color and it get anger, right? Anger, bull को अगर हम red कपड़ा दिखाते हैं क्या होता है? भागते हैं. क्यों भागते हैं? Because उसको गुस्सा आता है. Very good. Yes. Now learners, I hope all of you will remember this point which we have discussed as an enrichment, right? Do's and don'ts in jungle safari. I hope all of you will remember it whenever you go in a jungle safari, right? And learners, let's end the class here. Attendance I already took in the first lecture. So let's end the class here. See you all in the next class with new chapter, chapter number 5, people who help us. Alright? The 5th chapter we are going to do in our next class, that is people who help us. Today we have completed unit number 4. Till evening you would be receiving the whole PDF of this chapter. If anybody's work is remaining, you can complete it from there. Alright? Let's end the session here. Bye everyone and have a nice day.